Are you ready to make a move on SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? Today, we're going deeper into the world of SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Our initial report was just the beginning, and now we're about to unveil a more comprehensive analysis that will blow your mind. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay ahead of the game. You won't want to miss out on any game-changing updates that could impact your investment strategy. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool, powered by the revolutionary GPT-4 technology. Visit StockInvest.us today to unlock free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be mistaken for financial advice. Brace yourselves. Since September 26, 2023, our powerful system has identified SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.01. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this intriguing period. Brace yourself for a loss of -0.64%. Yes, you heard it right. This means an average loss of -0.13% every single day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. Brace yourself for exciting news about the ETF. It has just broken through the narrow and falling short-term trend. This could be the start of something big. While there may be some false breaks and sell-off moments along the way, a further fall is highly likely. Pay attention to any reactions back to the breaking point at $72.08. It could be a second chance to make a move. And if you're into fan theory, there's a possibility that $69.88 could become the new bottom line. But remember, it's still too early to confirm this. Let's talk about the 3-month trend. It suggests a potential -2.60% change in the next 3 months, but don't worry, there's still hope. The potential return could range between 0.0362% and 3.08%. So keep your eyes peeled for any opportunities that may arise. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture, the 12-month trend. Brace yourself for a -2.26% change over the next 12 months. However, there's a silver lining. The potential return could range between -4.60% and 8.01%. That's quite a wide range. So after a year, we could be looking at a price range of $66.96 to $75.80. It's definitely something to consider for your long-term plans. Hey there. Welcome to our latest update on the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Get ready for some exciting news. Brace yourself for the latest market update. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF experienced a bit of a tumble, with the price dropping by 0.82% on Monday, reaching $70.18. Let's dive deeper into the details. On the trading day, the ETF showed some volatility, ranging from a low of $69.79 to a high of $70.75, fluctuating by 1.38%. Keep in mind, the price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decrease of 4.67%. Interesting, right? But wait, there's more. Volume has increased by a whopping 2 million shares, although prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $316.09 million worth of shares were bought and sold, involving 5 million shares. Quite the numbers. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, we've seen the ETF reach a high of $79.49 and a low of $65.96. As of now, the price is 11.71% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a significant difference of $9.31. Furthermore, it's also 14.91% below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 5, 2022, when the price soared to $82.48. Incredible insights, don't you think? Hey there. Let's talk about SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. This is a stock that you don't want to miss. Currently, we're not seeing many positive signs in terms of technical analysis. Both short and long-term moving averages are giving sell signals, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. In addition, the long-term average is above the short-term average, further confirming the sell signal. However, if the stock manages to break the resistance levels at $70.85 and $73.06, we could potentially see some buy signals. It's important to note that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, September 1, 2023, resulting in a 6.01% decline so far. We might expect further downward movement until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal, adding to the bearish sentiment. Keep an eye on the volume as well. Yesterday, volume rose while prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating that the ETF should be closely monitored. Welcome, fellow investors. Today, I have some fascinating signals to share with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's indicating a compelling sell signal. Next up, we have the pivots. It flashed a sell signal precisely 21 days ago. Now, let's talk about the Bollinger Indicator. It gave us a strong buy signal just 4 days ago. Moving on to the short-term moving average. It provided a promising buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also signaled a buy 14 days ago. Exciting, right? And here's an interesting insight: the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 33 days ago. Now, shifting our attention to the 12-month chart. Brace yourself for some intriguing updates. The short moving average gave us a buy signal 16 days ago, indicating potential opportunities. However, the long-term moving average surprisingly flashed a sell signal just 10 days ago. Keep an eye on that. And guess what? The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal a mere 2 days ago. It's worth noting. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to uncover more valuable signals. Happy investing! Are you ready to dive into the world of SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? Let's explore its support, risk, and stop-loss strategies together. Brace yourself, because there's no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that the ETF might face some tough times ahead. But hey, don't worry. With its controlled movements and excellent liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Imagine this: in just one day, the ETF moved 96 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a 1.38% change. That's impressive. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.13%. So, get ready for some exciting fluctuations. Welcome back. Today, let's dive into some exciting day trading levels for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. If you're looking for an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $73.38. This is the point where things could get interesting. If you don't own any shares yet, this could be your signal to jump in. And for those of you already invested, it might be a great opportunity for swing trading. Now, here's something to be cautious about. There's not much support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could take a sharp drop. So, if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing your bets wisely. Listen up. We've got some bad news about this ETF. Brace yourself, because there's no stop-loss in place. Are you wondering if SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is a good investment? SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity has been showing several negative signals and is currently in a downward trend. Based on this analysis, we believe it will continue to underperform in the near future. But here's an interesting twist: our systems have found that the current price of SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is actually undervalued. So, what can we expect for the upcoming trading day, Tuesday, October 3rd? Our prediction is that SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF will open with a slight increase of $0.0593, starting at $70.24. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, let's take a moment to discuss an important aspect: risk. Trading comes with its share of risks, and it's crucial to be aware of them. However, we're here to guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment choices. They can provide valuable insights and ensure you're on the right track. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. While we provide you with valuable information, it's important to note that your investment decisions should not solely rely on it. We encourage you to do thorough research and consider multiple factors before making any moves. We believe in empowering you to take charge of your investments, but it's essential to understand that you bear the responsibility for your decisions. By using the information we provide, you acknowledge and accept this responsibility. Welcome, fellow investors. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of stocks. Today, we present to you our current view of the stock. But we want to hear from you too. Share your thoughts and let us know if you agree or disagree. The comments section below is waiting for your insights. And that's not all. We want to know your target for the ETF. Are you aiming high or do you have a more conservative approach? Drop your targets in the comments and let's discuss. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss out on our valuable trading insights. Wishing you all successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.